What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over something that's very cool because I know a lot of you guys probably have questions about this, especially within these past couple of months. And the big question is how to get reviews in 2019. Now, there's a whole bunch of different ways that you guys can get reviews. You can literally go out there and try and get them yourself by asking for them on Facebook or whatever social media site. Or you can get them through your email responders, or using different softwares, or using the early reviewer program. So the first initial ways, like the first initial 10 reviews that you guys want to get, I highly suggest that you use the early reviewer program. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. You're like, okay, you have to be trademarked or brand registered in order to do that, in order to use that program. And no, you guys do not have to. Literally, go check it out on the Seller Central website. You do not have to be brand registered in order to do the early reviewer program. It's a $60 flat fee, and then from there, Amazon will actually go out and send out these emails to people offering coupons, etc., in order for them to buy your product, and then they'll follow up with a review email after they shipped it out and everything. They wait, I forget how many days they wait until they follow up or whatever, but that is the first initial way that you want to get your initial 5 reviews. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about is the Panda Boom software. So I honestly think that if you combine all these things and try and use all these different softwares in order to get reviews, I think it's a little bit better than us going out there and trying to find the reviews ourselves. Because if you think about it, a lot of times when you find people that get suspended, or they get their accounts restricted just because they do review manipulation, it's mainly because people are impatient and they're not going out and trying to figure out other ways to get these reviews. Like they just contact people on Facebook, like their friends and family. They direct message them, people that have already shared Wi-Fi with them, where they trade reviews. Especially these new sellers that do this, all this stuff will get you restricted and your account suspended, or even banned very easily. And I don't want any of you guys that are new sellers out there to do this, so that's why I highly recommend that you use either the early reviewer program or Panda Boom. Now, for the early review program, it's going to get you around 5 reviews. What I suggest you guys do is use Panda Boom to get another 3 reviews. Now, it is like $150 something, I believe. But it's not that much. Honestly, I'd pay that much for 3 reviews instead of me trying to go out there and get them myself and wind up getting my account restricted or suspended because Amazon somehow links, whether it's my friends and family or somebody on Facebook. Honestly, I think it just saves me the work and time and the risk. But that's all up to you guys and what you want to do. That's personally what my take on it. And honestly, I'd do that for 3 reviews, and then, like I said, get the initial 5 from the early reviewer program, and then get the final 2 just on your own, trying to figure out, or contacting people. And it's only 2 reviews, right, that you have to do yourself, so it shouldn't be that hard. Even if one has to be unverified and the other one is verified, it's not that hard. But that is the strategy that I'm going to be using. Now, I'm going to show you guys this real quick on my whiteboard, because I just want to show it to you guys like step by step here, because I know it's a little bit harder to understand if I'm just talking about it. But as you can see, the first thing that we want to do is do the early reviewer program. Now, I know a lot of people probably talked about like, hey, well, for the early reviewer program, there's people on there that have gotten bad reviews or whatever. Honestly, I don't think it's that big of a risk. And if you jump onto that and do that program, and somebody leaves you a bad review, that's fine. Just delete your listing and find a new one. Like, it's not that hard. Especially if that's the first thing that you do is the early reviewer program. If someone just leaves you a bad review, just delete your listing and then just make a new one. It's fine. And then just go everything over. It's not that hard, guys. It's really not that difficult. I've done it before and it's worked out fine for me. So just go ahead and you can check that out, the early reviewer program, and then Panda Boom, just get 3 reviews. I would not go the full 10 reviews on Panda Boom though, because if you do that, I don't know, it just seems sketchy, and it costs a lot of money. It's like $500 or so, and it's not, you'll get 10 reviews, but no one wants to pay $500 in addition with the product fees that they have to give out for their products and stuff. So I honestly wouldn't recommend that. I would just stick to the 3 reviews that they offer on the website. And if you guys don't know, the way that Panda Boom works is they actually contact these bloggers or whatever to create articles or something, or they shout out your product, and the people that are following the blog or whatever, they actually purchase it, and they have them follow up with a review however many days after or so. So I'd only suggest you do the 3 review package for that, but you can check it out on their website. I'll probably show you guys it here in a second. I just want to go over this just so you guys have like a step-by-step process. So the next thing, of course, we already talked about early reviewer program, Panda Boom, and then thirdly, the 2 reviews. Just try to get them yourself, guys. It's really not that hard to just get 2 reviews, asking people around whether it's unverified or verified. Just make sure you're doing it safe and make sure that you're spacing it out. One way that I recommend, now I think another YouTube recommended this way as well, is Yaniv. You probably know him, but one way that he recommended, I think in total you're giving away like 5 units. Like you're doing one coupon sale, so 190% off giveaway, and then you're doing a full price one, and then another giveaway, and then another full price one, and then I think another giveaway. I have to look at it again. I'll probably look it up and show it to you on this video just so I don't confuse you guys. But by doing that method, you're kind of mixing it up a bit, just so that you're not just giving away 3 or 10 units or so and then just randomly have some guy jump on and leave a review. That's a little bit sketchy. So we kind of want to mix it up for those last 2 reviews just to make sure that it's going to be safe. But I honestly just would go for the verified purchase route or verified review route. So just watch out for that. So if you don't know, verified purchase just means that someone actually purchased it full price and they left a review. Unverified it won't show up on there. It wouldn't say verified purchase on there. That just means somebody left a review but they didn't purchase it. So but yeah, guys, that's the whole process right here. Now if you can't read this because for whatever reason my camera is not focusing, I'm sorry. So we can also talk about the launch process as well. If you guys, hopefully you can read that. My handwriting isn't the best. Hopefully you can read it. But so the new thing with the launch process, and I'll just go over this in this video really quickly because I don't want to create a whole, I kind of want to create a whole separate video for this as well, just so you guys aren't overloaded. But so for the whole launch process, if you guys did not know, if you're a new seller, Amazon FBA or Amazon in general, the algorithm, how it works is with these new giveaway processes, is that a coupon code, when you give a coupon code, or if you want to do some type of product launch service like Viral Launch or ZonJump, and the way they work is they collect all your coupon codes and you're getting all these sales from these discounted products. And apparently Amazon changed the algorithm to where these giveaways are not worth as much as a full price organic sale. So our job as these new sellers, or however much Amazon FBA experience you have, is we have to figure out a way to do these giveaways for full price sales. So we can use tools like Rebate Key, what is it called? We can use Rebate Key, Page1ify. These are good websites because they run off of rebates. So basically people on the site, they purchase your product for full price starting out, so that way we can get those organic full price sales and rank with our competitors. And then on top of that, like a month later or so, you're supposed to send them like a coupon code or the money for the product that they purchased in full price. So it's good for us starting out in order to launch our product. And I honestly think this is going to be a very, very revolutionary way to do these giveaways, because it's going to be much more valuable as opposed to just doing the typical giveaways where you can use coupon codes. Now, of course, if you that's fine. You can still use these giveaway services, but it's going to cost you probably a little bit more money than it used to be. Instead of it just being $400 and then you just give away all those coupon codes and then you just pay all the FBA fees. It's probably going to be a little bit more because, like I said, one organic full price sale is probably worth like anywhere from 4 to 7 coupon or giveaways. So you just have to keep that in mind, guys, because honestly, I don't want you guys to go out there and try to launch your product and then wonder why you spent all this money and gave away all these products or half your inventory and find out you can't even make it on the first page. So of course this varies depending on how competitive your product it is and how many different sellers there are, but it's just something that you guys should keep in mind. So hopefully you guys understand all of that. And also another thing that you guys can do, which worked really well for me, is use the Facebook ads. Especially, you don't have to be really experienced with Facebook ads in order to use it, especially if your product is very, very niche specific. So I would definitely check that out. So if my last product was in the beauty niche, and if you're able to target that, it's really easy to target those people on Facebook if you're trying to do a giveaway or something like that. But if you're trying to do it full price, you're not going to get as many conversions, of course, because it's a full price sale. So people are not going to be willing to spend that much money. But if you're doing a giveaway where it's only like $1 or so, then yeah, you're probably going to get a lot of people, and you probably don't have to worry about a giveaway service. But like I said, we just got to keep that in mind, that organic sales, full price organic sales are worth a lot more for the Amazon's algorithm than these discounted giveaway coupon coded products that we give away. So that's just something you guys should keep in mind. So that's all I really wanted to talk about in this video, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section down below. I also have different templates that you guys can use in my description. One talking about how to negotiate with suppliers, and the other one that talks about how to create good bullet points and a good description. It's literally a template for you guys that you can use. Now, with all that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I feel like it's very informative for you guys in step by step. Because I know there's a whole bunch of different softwares and all these other people telling you guys how exactly to do reviews or how exactly to do giveaways. But I just showed it all you guys on simple whiteboard here. And if you have any questions or run into any problems on the way, just let me know and I'll be willing to help you guys out. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.